Hello friends! I hope you have a happy day and full of happiness. Today, I will share with you a new video special and effective. We need these ingredients to make this recipe, so let's start. 1/2 banana and mash it. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. 2 teaspoons of milk. 'Now, mix all the ingredients very well. Now it's time to apply this paste on your scalp. Then massage it gently for 5 minutes. And leave it on for 30 minutes. Then wash it off by a baby shampoo. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you. Please share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe us. And we are waiting for your feedback and comments.